my name is Tasha, and I'm one of the managers over here at Jim Ward Community Center, located at 301 Northwest 46th Avenue, Plantation. And today, we will be making puppets. In honor of Easter, I've also incorporated one of my favorite books, The Tortoise and the Hare. So after you guys make your puppets, if you guys want to get together with your family and also read the book and act out the puppets, that would be great. Let's get started. First, you will need a toilet paper roll, which I'm sure we all can find at our house today. And you're gonna need to paint it or color it or markers or whatever you may have at home. So, also, I'm going to make a duck to go with the puppets I already have made, which is the tortoise and the hare, because at the end of the story, you all know all the farm animals cheered on the tortoise. So we will be making a duck to go along with our storybook. So, first thing you need to do is find paint. I will be using the yellow paint. You will need a paintbrush, and you know what? We recycle. So I've used a medicine cup to pour my paint inside of. Let's get started. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook page at Plantation Parks. Also, anytime you hear me say the word roll, hit the share button. I'll remind you. Let's go. First thing I'm going to do is paint. Don't worry. You got this. Remember, if you don't have paint, you can also use crayons or markers, or if you have colored construction paper at home, you can also use construction paper. Now, we're going to wait for this to dry. Whew. Great. We're all dry. We're ready to go. Next, we are going to work on the duck's feet. If you're fancy like me, you can also paint the bottle tops. So what I use for the feet are water bottle tops. So if you guys have water bottles at home, make sure you save the tops to do this project. So, also at this point, we're going to poke holes in the middle of the tops, but you need to have a parent or a guardian to assist you with this. Be careful. Okay, once your holes have been inserted in your bottle caps, you're going to get yarn, string, or lanyard, or anything you have around the house that you can incorporate. So today, I will be using yellow yarn. I have already cut the strips. So what you're going to do is thread the strips through the hole. To help you out also, I also put tape at the end to help feed through the hole. Boy, we are really rocking and rolling today. Make sure the holes are big enough. You're almost there. One more to go. I'm going to put tape at the end of this one to show you what I've done. And you're just going to roll it. I tell you, heads are really going to roll when they see your puppets. Don't forget to share. Now that we have the legs and the arms ready, you will tape them on to the toilet paper roll. Or glue, or staple, whatever you're most comfortable with. But today I will be using tape. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to apply whatever animal that you are working with head. So today, like I said before, I'm working with a duck. You can print it offline. You can pull up a video on how to freehand any type of animal you like. But today, I chose a duck. So if you have glue, you're able to glue him. At this moment, I'm going to tape him. Voila, there you have it. So now we're going to tape him onto our toilet paper roll like so. And now you're going to, if you have any popsicle sticks at home, pencils, pens, to make the top of your puppet. So today I will be using pencils that I've already glued together. So you can use glue or you can use tape. And what you're going to do is, if you have that same yarn, lanyard or string, or fishing wire, you're going to tie 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're going to connect it to your puppet. And for me, I put a little piece of tape to hold the string in place. So once you get all 4 connected, then you want to connect it to your puppet. So being that I already have one put together, I will show you the finishing product. So basically, for me, I taped it. To the top of the duck, and then you will attach another string to the other side of the duck. Or glue or staple. And voila, there you have it, your puppet. And if you're really fancy, you can attach 2 more strings and attach it to the arms or the feet. And there you have it. You are all ready to roll. Don't forget to hit that share button. And have fun, read books, and it starts in parts. Bye.